தற்பொழுது நம்மளோட ஜேடியோட மூத்த தலைவர் பவன் வர்மா நம்மளே இருக்கிறார். Sir, can you tell us, what kind of a victory is this?
This is a historic victory. We were fighting against a lot of money power and the entire might of the central government. The whole cabinet almost was here. Mr. Narendra Modi made 30 rallies. In spite of that, the people of Bihar and their will has prevailed for good governance, economic development, social justice, and an atmosphere of religious and social harmony. Nitish Kumar, as the Chief Minister of Bihar, will deliver what he has promised, and today this message that is going from Bihar will reverberate across India.
Don't you think, BJP is the single largest party over here? In spite, the alliance has won, but still the BJP remains the single largest party. Don't you think the BJP has, emphasized and they have created a mark in Bihar's politics?
The BJP was not a beginner in Bihar. In fact, they were at one time part of the government. So the BJP, of course, is an important party. But the important thing is that the BJP, in spite of its best efforts, has definitively lost a very prestigious election. That is the reality. And against it, the Chief Minister Nitish Kumar and what he stands for has today been validated and vindicated and reinforced by the people of Bihar.
Also, with the alliance with the Lalu ji, don't you think, what kind of a government this is going to be? They say that it's going to be unstable.
It will be a completely stable government with Nitish Kumar as the Chief Minister. The BJP always doubted even whether we will come together, whether we will agree on a Chief Minister, whether we will be able to divide seats. Now they are raising the rumor that it will be unstable. They will be proved wrong. They should start looking at their own house in Delhi.
இப்போ நம்ம பவன் வர்மா ஜேடியோட மூத்த தலைவர் பவன் வர்மா என்ன சொன்னார்னா கண்டிப்பா எங்களுடைய ஆட்சி ஒரு நிலையான ஆட்சியாக இருக்கும், லாலுவும் நிதிஷும் சேர்ந்து இணைந்து ஒரு நல்ல அரசு கொடுப்போம், வளர்ச்சிக்கான அரசு கொடுப்போம் என்று தகவல் தெரிவித்தார். ஒளிப்பதிவாளர் சிவாவுடன் பிரபஞ்ச், பட்னா.